Thanks for watching the video, and here's the test. So this platform, I've been on it for a very long time, and this platform is still paying. It is still paying, and everything is still working. If you refer someone, you get bonuses and all those things. They are still working on the platform, and this is not the first time I'm talking about it, but it's just a reminder. And those of you who are new to it or who haven't heard of it, yes, I'll show you the process and everything about it. So this is a Tuak platform, a trading platform that you can just trade and earn something from it. And with this, I can assure you that your money is somehow safe. Safe because you'll be given a Telegram channel that you will just follow their signals to just trade. You understand? So for every trade update, okay, or for any prediction for a trade within a day, they make sure that you get something out of the trade prediction that they give you in the Telegram group. So always you have something. All you need to do is just to make sure you have funds, you have money in your account, so that you will not incur so much loss. Okay, so yes, that's how this one works. And if you want to know how you can just make money very fast, and if you're looking for Ponzi scams and in those websites to register, this is not part of it. This is a training platform that really works very well, 100%. The risk is there, although, because you see, I cannot assure you of 100% winnings. So there is risk comparing to winnings. You can lose all your income and you can win or gain more income as well. So it is a 50-50 thing. So just consider that and know that I'm not forcing you to register this. You do it as your own free will, so that if you get money, you get it in your own pocket. If you lose for your own self. But just trade wisely as you just participate. Okay, so just check in the comment section or description of the video. There is a Telegram link, and then also the registration link for you, so that you join the Telegram link and then also you register your account. So let me show you the registration, how you can just deposit, how you can just withdraw your money after winning some big money from the platform. Let's start with it. But if you're new, you know what to do. Just like and subscribe. Okay, so just check the comment section or the description of this video for the link to work. Okay, so after tapping on the link, it will bring you to this this display or this site. When you come to this site, you're going to create your account. Okay, so tap and enter your valid email address, okay, or account. Okay, so after entering your email, you set a password. So make sure the password that you are setting is very strong, so that no one can just log into your account and then cash out your money. Okay, so set a strong password right here and make sure you have this on. Okay, so make sure it is on and tap on register. Okay, then you enter or you tap on I am not a robot. Okay, then you just need to confirm. So a confirmation message will be sent to the email that you use. So if in case you don't see the message, just go to your spam and check to see if the code is there, okay, or the message from Tuak is there. So let me enter mine and then let's continue with it. So after entering the code, just tap on create account. So register successfully. Now you are going to log in to your account that you just created. Okay, so just enter your email. Can you subscribe for more videos from here? I'll bring more videos right here on this channel. So after that, just enter your password as well and then tap on login right here. Tap on I am not a robot and then just do as they say right here. Tap on verify. Here we are with Tuak. Okay, free mark deposit bonus. So when you deposit, 10% bonus will be refunded starting from the first recharge of 10 USDT. Okay, so $10 when you just deposit on this website, you're just going to get a 10% bonus, which means you're going to get $1 plus the $10 that you just deposited on the site. So for more tips on making money, you can consult the platform customer service manager who will provide you better solutions. Okay, so let's go through the Tuak. So after creating your account with Tuak, just tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on it, and then tap on Google Authenticator. Okay, so tap on it, and then it will bring you to this side. So you're going to record the 16-digit backup key from Tuak and keep it in a safe. Okay, then what are you going to do? what are some of the steps? Open Google Authenticator. So if you don't have Google Authenticator on your phone, just go to Play Store or App Store and then download the app and then install. So let me show you how you can do that or authenticate your to work account. So just go to Play Store or App Store, or you can just tap on it right here. Let me tap on App Store to open for me, and subscribe for more videos from here, and let's download the Google Authenticator on our device. After downloading, just open the app right here and then tap on Get Started. Okay, so this is all about the Google Authenticator. Tap on Get Started and then you create an account. Okay, so make sure you have your Google account connected to this Google Authenticator. So when you select your Google account, then you just continue. Okay, so after logging into Google Authenticator, you can see we have add a code. Just tap on add a code, and then we have the enter setup key. Just tap on that one, and we have the account and then we have the key. This is what you're going to do. Just go back to your to work, and then when you come to this side, look down. Okay, look down, we have next. Just tap on next, and it will show you the backup key, and then you can just copy. So this one, you are just going to copy it. Just tap on the copy down here to copy it. Very simple. Okay, then you just go to this side. The account is to work, so just enter to work right here, and the key, you just paste the key right here, and then you tap on add. So this is the key, this is the code. Tap on the code to copy it, go back to work, and then enter the Google verification code, and then tap on confirm down here. This side be fast because the code really expires after some time. Okay, so just go back after this, and then you have successfully linked your to work to the Google Authenticator. Okay, so you are it's just like a protection for your account. So after that, now how can you deposit onto work, and then how can you invest, and how can you make money, and how can you withdraw from to work? We have the deposit and then we have the withdrawal. Okay, so just tap on deposit, and then the amount that you want to deposit, which is 10 or more, then you just select USDT right here, and then you just tap on pay now. Okay, so the minimum deposit is 5 USDT, and deposit arrive after 15 network confirmation. Okay, so just tap on pay now. Okay, so let's wait for some time. So you pay 10 USDT using the method any one of these. Scroll down, and then you tap on pay now. Okay, so to complete the payment within 59, okay, so you have 59 minutes to complete and also submit after payment. So we only support the TRC20 BEP2 USDT. Don't say the payment QR code or wallet address. It cannot be paid once, so only once that you can use this to make payment. After here, when you're going to make a deposit, it will also change, so make sure you don't save this. So just scroll down and then copy the address right here. Address has been copied. Go to your Binance and make payment to that address. So now I've made payment. Let's go back and see the amount in my account. Okay, so just go to deposit the amount and then pay now. You copy the address and then you make payment to it. Okay, now let's go to the trading side. So when you look down here, we have the big T right here. Just tap on the T, and this is how the investment or the trading is. Okay, so when you look down here, we have the invest, and we have the time right here. Okay, the time 49. So the time right here is in seconds, and then it is reading up to 0. So every time, every 1 minute, we have the 1 minute and also the 5 minute here. Okay, so it's your choice. Depending on how you want it, you just select. But I recommend the 1 minute one, which is very fast, and then you know how much you are earning every second, or every minute. Sorry, every minute you will know how much you are earning. So when you're the invest here, when the invest down here turns black like this, it means that you cannot invest. Okay, so when you tap on it, it will show you stop investing. Okay, so there is it for the investment. Okay, but one good news is that if you don't know how to select at the invest, okay, they have a Telegram signal that you can just follow and then get your investment options. Okay, so you can see in this group you will be provided a signal, and then I will just come to this side. I will tap on invest and then choose the one that the Telegram group is talking about. Then I will just make something. Okay, so let me just forward this video so that we can get to the point whereby the signal will be sent in the Telegram group. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video for more videos as well. Okay, so you can see the signal buy odd. So you can see buy odd. Just go to work and then tap on invest down there. Okay, select 1 minute light because it is 1 minute light, then buy odd. Okay, so let me buy odd for 5 USDT. So any amount you just select 5, then odd, and then you just tap on invest. Okay, so my amount is $35. Okay, I just top up my wallet, so 35, and now you can see it is 30. So the 5 USDT has been deducted. Okay, so this was how the signal came. So buy odd, and it was 1 minute light, and my amount was 5 USDT. So let's see whether it will be a lose or a gain for me. Okay, so this is how the twerk really works. You just select any one, whether an odd number or an even number. You just select the amount that you want to go by it, and then you just wait for the time to elapse. So you can see 0, and then let's see whether I got it or not. So from 30, yeah, I got it. So from 30 to 40, sure. So you can see it up there. Okay, so when you go to the group, you can see something like a super win down there. You can see it, and they will be sending always. They send like twice, two signals. Sorry, 2 signals every morning, and I think in the evening too they send another 2 signals. So also you should take note that these signals, some of them too, they sometimes it's a lose. Okay, so you just make sure you have enough funds in your wallet so that as they go on giving the odd, okay, or the signals, you won't lose your amount. Okay, because sometimes the signals just go off track. But they will also make sure that you get something. Okay, they know how they do it, that you always get something. Okay, or sure, you can also do it yourself right here. Okay, as well, don't say that I've given you the Telegram channel, which is the link in the comment section or the description of this video, and then the registration link is also in the comment section and also in the description. Don't say that because I said the Telegram channel gives you signals, it doesn't mean that it is 100% signal that will always be given. Sometimes you may lose, sometimes too you may win, but always they make sure that there is a winning before they close for the day. Okay, so now how can you withdraw? So to withdraw, just look down here and then tap on my wallet or the wallet right here. When you tap on it, they just tap on withdraw. When you just tap on withdraw, look down here and then just make sure you have your address. Okay, just enter your address here and the Google code. So go to your Google Authenticator and get the code and paste it here and tap on confirm right here. Okay, and then you'll be able to set up your wallet address for payment. After that, just enter the amount that you want right here. So let's say I want to withdraw 20 USDT. Okay, now take note that when you withdraw 20 USDT, an amount will be deducted from it. So an amount that I will receive is 19.4. So to get 20 USDT in my account, I should withdraw 21. Or what do you say? Okay, so I'm going to withdraw this amount into my account. Just tap on withdraw and then it will just go straight into your account. Okay, so the withdrawal fee for under 20 USDT is 1 USDT. Withdrawal fees for 20 USDT and more are 3%. Okay, so just take note of that as well. Okay, so you can withdraw your amount on to work right here. Is very simple. Okay, So just tap on withdraw. Okay, so confirm your withdrawal address and tap on confirm. So withdrawal application is successful, waiting for audit. So in no time you will get your money into your account on Binance. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a Binance account, just check in the comment section to know how you can just create a Binance account as well for payment and then other stuff. Okay, so I know you asked me about the invitation reward for to work, and there is it. If you invite one person, you get $2. Okay, and when you invite a total of 5 people who complete the valid invitation, which is when they create their accounts, they do the Google authentication. Okay, and also they make a deposit, okay, or they recharge their account, you will get that into your account. So 5 people, you receive a $9 reward, which is total of 11 USDT. So 10 people, total will be 23 USDT, and then it just follows up right here. So just look through and see the reward. Just check in the comment section for the link to register to work. Okay, to get your invitation link, just look down here, go to your bonus, go to bonus down here. When you go to bonus, you will see invite your friends and earn up to 50 USDT. So there is it. Just tap on invite friends and copy the link, and that's all.